Good morning, Pre-Calc. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Desmos to graph polar graphs. First things first, open your browser and then go to desmos.com. When you get to Desmos, you get, it just says start graphing. So we pull up the calculator. So this is the Desmos calculator. First thing you want to do is change your grid so it looks more polar. This is rectangular. If you go to the wrench in the upper right-hand side, if you look at the bottom, no, not at the bottom. If you look in the middle where it says grid, do you see that there is a polar grid next to it? So I clicked on the polar grid and now we are in polar form. Um, it right now is in radians. You could also look at it in degrees. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now you're ready to graph. So let's graph something. Now, if I just do a circle r equals 2, I get my circle. But let's say I want to do a circle that's shifted off the center, 2 cosine theta. You just type 2 cosine, but theta you have to go to the keyboard down here where it says show keypad. You click on that, and then notice there are no thetas here either. You have to click the capital A, B, C, and when you pull up the keyboard, over on the far right below the P is theta. So when you click theta, you now have your circle that is shifted to the right and has a diameter of 2. Okay, so that's where theta is, and you can graph any equation except you can't graph theta equals a number. It doesn't allow you to do that, but those are just lines that go along the angle. Every other one, though, you can graph on here and sketch them on your homework. So if I want to do a cardioid, r equals 2 plus 2 sine theta, and theta is over here. Bam, there's my cardioid. Okay. All right, I just wanted to show you guys how you can use Desmos to help you graphing in case you left your graphing calculator in your locker or you don't have batteries or you lost your charger. You can use this free online graphing tool to help you do your homework for the graphing part of Polar. Hope you are all doing well, and yeah, thank you for doing all the work you've been doing and keep up the great work.